Hi everyone, welcome back to Bukola Naturals and DIYs channel. My name is Bukola. In today's video, I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to make a natural and organic deodorant balm. So in one of my videos, I shared how you can make your own natural and organic alcohol-free deodorant balm, but that was with baking soda, and there are people who have sensitive skin and baking soda is not a good idea for them because it can actually peel the skin. So in today's video, I'll be making the deodorant with magnesium hydroxide instead of baking soda. So this is a baking soda free deodorant. So you can also use magnesium stearate, but if I'm not using baking soda, I usually prefer all zinc oxide or magnesium hydroxide. So right now I'm weighing out my magnesium hydroxide, 45 grams. This is because I'm making a 300 grams batch because I'll be making about 3 containers. So if you want to make a 100 grams batch, deodorant, 15 grams is okay. So you can use 15 grams. And I'll also be using cornstarch. You can use rice starch, you can use arrowroot powder, okay, but for this video I'm using cornstarch, which is highly absorbent. So right now I'm just gonna set it aside and weigh my beeswax and other ingredients. So for this recipe I'm using white beeswax, but you can use the yellow beeswax, okay. And for a vegan option you can use calendula wax and any other vegan wax, okay. So I'm using about 46 grams of beeswax. It's beeswax will help thicken this deodorant balm. It will add texture to it, and beeswax is also delicate to the skin. Another ingredient I'm using is sweet almond oil. So guys, if you want, you can use coconut oil, which is one of the best oils for deodorant balm, but for this one I just wanted to try something different. Sweet almond oil, which helps kill germs and moisturize the skin. It soothes the skin, it contains vitamin E, and it is so good for irritated and sensitive skin, okay. So I'll be using about 156.6 grams, but if you're using a 100 gram batch, then you should use 52.2 grams, okay. So what I'm gonna do right now is to melt my beeswax using the double boiler method. I'm gonna put it in a water bath and heat it till the beeswax melts. So now is the time to weigh my cool down ingredients. So I'm weighing vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant, and since we are using oil soluble ingredients, it is important we add tocopherol, which is vitamin E to prevent the balm from growing rancid. So I'll be adding 1 gram of vitamin E. Another ingredient I'm adding is Optiphen. Optiphen, guys. So Optiphen is a broad spectrum preservative, so this is optional, guys. So the reason I'm adding this preservatives in case the product comes in contact with water and dirt. So this preservative is suitable for oil-based formulations. It helps protect the product against microbial growth and from bacteria, okay, but this is optional, guys. But I always feel it is important, especially if the products will be coming in contact with water or dirt. So I'll be adding 3 grams, guys, because I'm making a 300 grams batch, but 1% for a 100 grams batch. So now I'm adding essential oils. I'm using lavender essential oil. It contains antibacterial, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties. It also contains anti-allergenic properties. I'm also using sage oil, which soothes the skin and eliminates odor. I'm using lemongrass essential oils as well. It contains astringent and antibacterial properties. And I'm also using citronella essential oils. Okay, so I'll be putting the amounts on the screen. You see it on the screen. So after adding that, I'm gonna set it aside. So my beeswax has melted. So what I'm gonna do now is to put it in a cold water bath to accelerate the cool down process, because it's still hot and I can't add the magnesium hydroxide and beeswax with the temperature right now. So I'm just going to put it in a cold water bath, and to fasten the cool down process. Now the beeswax and sweet almond oil is in 45 degrees centigrade. So this is time to add the powder ingredients, that is the magnesium hydroxide and the cornstarch. So what I'm gonna do is to sift it into the mixture, and the reason I'm sifting it is to avoid lumps, because we do not want any uncomfortable feeling when applied on the underarms. So please use a mask when doing this. Okay, use a mask, and after doing this, I'm gonna stir it together and still set it aside till it's below 40 degrees centigrade. So guys, now that the mixture is below 40 degrees centigrade, I'm gonna add the cool down ingredients, that is the vitamin E oil, Optiphen, which is the broad spectrum preservative, and the essential oils. So I'm gonna pour it into the mixture and mix together, then pour it into a jar, a container of my choice, and allow it to set. Okay. So guys, this is what it looks like now. This is the deodorant. So it's still gonna be thicker than this if you give it some hours more. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. You can try out your own recipe, and that's it for this video. Like this video, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks again for watching. See ya. Ciao. Bye.